Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm showing the screen right now. It is iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'll fix the screen today. The phone is disabled and the touch does not work. I try to turn off but it does not work. So now I have to open the back screw. There is 2 screws. So I'm opening the back screw right now. And after that I have to open the screw top of the battery connection. So there is 2 screw. So I'm opening that screw first because the phone I could not turn off. So now after open the screw, there is the lids above the there is the screw on the cable and the lids. So let me open the screw first, then I'll remove the plate. And first things, I have to disconnect the battery before I open the cables. So the first things, I'll unplug the battery connection, then I'll open the cables. If you want, you can use a plastic like that to open the cable. It is more safe. If you have good fingernail, you can press the fingernail also. So after that, there is 3 screw, but this phone I don't see all 3 screws, so there is only 1 screw and 2 already lost it. So just open one. And I check the phone if there is any screw dropped. Before then I have to open, this is the speaker and the sensor, so you have to open it very carefully. It was opened because the phone is too much broken. That's why it is open already. And now I'm opening the extra plastic from the screen. This is a new screen, so it's come with the plastic. I have to remove that, then I'll put it back again. It's a speaker and the sensor cable, and I have to put the screw. I just got 1 screw, so I'm put it back 1 screw. Usually it comes 3 screw here, so I just put it 1 screw. And after that I have to put it back together, the screen. There is one connection, the cable, there is another one on the side. There is 3 cables total, so I'll put it 3 cables together. And after that, finally I press the battery connection. Whatever you do first, you have to do it last. That is the easiest way to remember everything. So now I'm closing the screw. I put it back, this screw on the plate. There is probably 6 screws total. So I put all the screws back. And another plate goes on the battery connection. There is 2 screw. So yeah, there is 2 screw. I have to put it back together. So it's very easy to see like how we can fix iPhone 11 Pro Max. And please, if you guys like the video, if it is help you, please subscribe my channel and give me a like and comments please. And if your friends or family need it, or anybody need it, if you know them, just share the video. It is very helpful because I'm explaining everything, so I believe it will help you a lot, because I fixed the phone for a long time, so I have the experience to teach you. Very easy, it's make very easy. We were fixed first time, if they see my video, it will be easy for them. So you can see my videos. If you cannot understand first time, just watch twice the video carefully, and then you will be perfect man to fix it. See, the phone is turned on, and let's see the condition. It has messed up totally. And it was unavailable phone. So yeah, now the phone is unavailable, but the screen is completely fine. And now you have to connect to iTunes to delete that problem.